I'm going to take you through the process of installing Dhobi and walking through how to use the app. What you're seeing on the screen right now is my iPhone, and it's live. First thing we'll do is we'll install Dhobi, which means that we need to, in test mode, we need to scan a QR code. So I'm going to go and get my QR. There's my QR code that I want to scan. I'm just going to move that off the screen for a second so you can see what's going on. So I'm going to pull up a QR code scanner that I've got. That's what it looks like. So I've just picked up my phone and I'm going to zero in on the code. And that's what it looks like once they've scanned a good code. And this item in the center here is where you'll tap action equals download manifest. Just tap that whole area, and you'll get a message asking to install. Go ahead and install it. And there's Dhobi. So now we've got Dhobi installed, so let's see what it looks like when we tap on Dhobi. So there's our splash screen and there's our opening screen. Now if there's no profile already in the system, not in the system necessarily, but in the Dhobi app, then you'll ask to please create a profile, and there's a button there that says create edit profile. So we're going to tap on that. And now this has been designed to run on an iPhone 4S as well, so that's why there's a little bit of space at the bottom. So this runs on an iPhone 4 and all that screen size, and up, of course. So let's start filling information in here. So I'm going to tap in first name, a valid email address. Well, this is just for testing, so yeah, I might as well. Actually, I don't want to send my email addresses around, so I'm just going to put in a phony one. Cell number. No apartment. City. So there, we're done. We're setting up a profile. Now the top part, first name, last name, email, cell number, that is the same information for all three profiles. The profiles being home, office, or other. The only thing that changes for home, office, and other is the address. Everything else stays exactly the same because it's the same person. It's their phone, they're using it, it's their name, it's their email address, it's their cell number. So the only thing that changes is the address. So now I can click the Save Profile button down at the bottom, and I'll get a message saying that the profile is saved. And now what I can do is click on Office and create an office profile, and click on other and create an other profile. And when I go back home, my information is still there. So we'll just leave it at home, and now we'll click on a schedule order. And we save our profile again just in case things has changed. Now job type and location are required. If I try to go next, I'll get a message saying exactly that. So I'm just going to tap on this, and I'm going to pick dry cleaning and laundry. And then I'm going to pick a location. Now if I pick a location where I have not created a profile, that's what happens. Other, same thing, because there's no address. Home, there is one, so that's good. Pick a date and time, so I can tap on date. Now this will scroll up if I can't see anything else. And same thing for everything else. And let's let's see what else is there. Oh yeah, date and time, they scroll, as you can see. Time, AM, PM scrolls. So pick a date, pick a time, and then click next. Now here's where you get to customize. So right now Tide you'll see is checked, cold is checked for wash style, and drying cold is checked. So those are your defaults. So I can tap on gain or I can tap on Purex and you'll see that a check mark goes in there saying that that's what I've chosen. Same thing for warm and hot, and for drying warm and hot. And or we can just click on just Dobify it with standard care. And let's see what else is there. And so once that's all checked, then I'll click order. I can enter some notes. So my notes, done. And I can click on email me a copy of this order. So not only do you get an order, but I get a copy of the order as well. And then I click on place order. It's sending. Adobe order is sent, and I come right back to the schedule screen to start again. And I think that's it pretty much. Very simple stuff. I can hit the profile screen here, go back to my profile if I want, and anywhere in the app, if you click on the upper left-hand bars, you'll get an opening menu, and account profile will take you directly back to your profile no matter where you are. So let's say we were in schedule order, and click on profile, and it'll take you back there, so that's fine. Or contact us information. So hitting the telephone number will pop up the telephone number calling app from within Apple, and the Adobe website should take you there. And let's see what else is there. If I click anywhere on the background, that screen will disappear. Come back here, Adobe Fax. So these are all Adobe Fax. So click on one to expand it, and it's scrollable. And then just click on the return arrow to get rid of that. And now let's shut this down. So it's gone now. And now let's fire it back up again. Now you see the screen's a little bit different. Welcome, David. So it's welcoming me back. And now I can create edit profile, or I can go directly to schedule order because I do have at least one profile in there. So we can go to edit profile, we can go there. Or I'm just going to get out again. Come back to my opening screen. And I can go directly to schedule order. And then pick a location. And that's everything. So have a look through, have a walk through, test it out, see if there's anything that seems odd, and let me know. Thanks for having a look.